Hello my dear students of class 8. This is computer class and I am Lalit Kumar Pathak. Today I am going to discuss about the topic networking media. Networking media means it is a path through which data is transmitted in the form of electronic signal within the network from one device to another device. Means it is a medium through which data is transferred or data is transferred within the network. Basically, there are two type of networking media: transmission media, guided media and unguided media. Guided media is also of three type: twisted pair, coaxial cable and fiber optics. And unguided media is divided into mainly two part, that is radio wave and microwave, and one more is infrared also. Twisted pair is of two type: STP, that is sealed twisted pair, and UTP, unsealed twisted pair. Coaxial cable is also two type: baseband and broadband. So today I am going to discuss about the guided media or wired media. Guided media is a physical medium or path through which data is transmitted within the network, such as computers are connected through cable. It is also known as bounded or wired networking media. Let us see the pictures of guided media, in which components of networking device are connected through this cable. So let us understand the type of guided media. There are two type of guided media. Sorry, there are three type of guided media: twisted pair, coaxial cable and fiber optics. These are the images of guided or wired media. This is twisted pair, this is coaxial cable and this is fiber optics. Twisted pair, it is a type of wiring in which two conductors of a single circuit are twisted together. It is mostly used for telephone communication and modern network Ethernet. It is of two types, UTP and STP. UTP stands for unsealed twisted pair and STP stands for sealed twisted pair. This is the image of twisted pair where cables are coated with silver coating, while unsealed twisted pair is same as STP without any coating. It consists of 8 cables that are twisted to each other. UTP is cheaper than STP. UTP, unsealed twisted pair, it is also known as Ethernet cable. It consists of 8 copper wire. It is used in mostly LAN network. It has RJ45 connectors to connect two devices such as computer, routers and switches. It requires network adapter card such as NIC or motherboard to connect the Ethernet cable. There are two types of Ethernet cable: a straight through cable and crossover cable. In a straight through cable, identical wiring on both ends. This type of cable is used to connect the dissimilar type of devices such as computer to hub, computer to switch, router to hub and router to switch. This is a picture of a straight through cable. Next one is crossover cable. This type of cable is basically used for connecting similar devices directly because both the end of the cable is not same. This type of cable is used when you need to connect two devices that use same wire to send and receive the data. For example, consider the connecting two computers together, and this type of cable is used to connect computer to computer, hub to hub, switch to switch, or router to router. STP, unsealed twisted pair. It has an additional shield to reduce crosstalk and other form of electromagnetic interference, that is called EMI. Next one is coaxial cable. It consists of copper wire surrounded by fixed flexible insulation. It is expensive than twisted pair but can be used to transmit data for long distance. It supports 10 to 100 Mbps data transfer rate. The maximum size of twisted pair is up to 100 meter, but coaxial cable can be sized up to 500 meter also. And the last one is fiber optic cable. It can carry more data rather than twisted pair and coaxial cable for long distance, up to 100 kilometer with light signal without any noise. It is mostly used in telephone communication, but it is most expensive cable. Next one is unguided media. Unguided transmission media is used to transmission of data without the use of any physical medium. It is also known as unbounded or wireless networking media. These are the examples of unguided media such as Bluetooth, infrared, etc. Types of unguided media. There are three types of unguided media: radio wave, microwave, and infrared. Radio waves are omnidirectional. That means signals are transmitted in all directions with a radio frequency from 3 kHz to 1 kHz. It is used in WAN and mobile phones. Data is sent and received by an antenna. Radio waves are especially used for fixed transmission in AM/FM. Microwave also work on radio wave. Both are used for data communication, but difference between them are frequency. Its frequency range is 300 MHz to 300 GHz, even up to 1000 GHz. It is used in GPS, radar, power transmission, and microwave oven etc. Communication over ASN can be achieved by using microwave transmission. And last one is infrared. It is used for short distance between two cell phones and TV remote. The frequency rate is 300 GHz to 400 GHz. Infrared cannot penetrate the wall, so it is used within the room only. So that's all for the today only. Thank you and have a nice day.